Let's dive into division. 406 divided by 2. Hey super math stars, sparkles, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 406 by 2. Get ready. We look at the first digit of 406, which is 4. We'll use this for now. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It's 2. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4. Perfect. Now subtract 4 from 4. What do we get? 0. Great job, you're doing awesome. We've got a 0 and there are more digits to go. Let's move to the next digit. Next up, we bring down the next digit from 406, which is 0. Now we have 0. We carry down the 0. Our new number to work with is 0. How many times does 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. Let's check. 0 times 2 is 0, exactly. Subtract 0 from 0, that leaves us with 0. Easy peasy. You're on a roll, keep that amazing energy going. We're almost there, time to bring down the last digit. Last step, we bring down the final digit, 6. Our number is now 6. We carry down the 6, now we need to divide 6 by 2. How many times does 2 go into 6? It's 3. Let's check. 3 times 2 equals 6. Nailed it. Subtract 6 from 6, we have 0 left. We're done dividing. Woohoo, you totally crushed it, high five. We've used all the digits and there's no remainder. We found our answer. So 406 divided by 2 is 203. We did it, we conquered 406 divided by 2. Remember, every step you take in math, big or small, makes you a math superstar. Keep practicing and have a fantastic time exploring more math with Let's Stud. See you next time, Math Explorers.